friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Diddly Has Plans. In today's video, we are doing a flip through of the month of February in my Plum paper vertical columns. So let's take a look. Alrighty friends, so starting with the index page, you know how I like to always add a little bit of deco here. This kit is from Orange Umbrella Co. It's kit $1.99 and it's called Winter Birds, and I had purchased the deco sheet and I just loved these little birds and all the little flowers and snowflakes that it came with. So I had some leftover pieces and just definitely wanted to make use of them. So that's where these little pieces came from. And then let's flip right into the highlights. I'm going to open up my book a little bit here. Okay, so starting with the highlights page, the kit for this month is from Monarch Plans. It's kit 355 and it's called Sweet Life. I thought it was really pretty how it had some deep purples and pinks. So kind of adding in a little extra vibrant color to your traditional Valentine's Day color. So this little You Can Do Hard Things, this quote is from Planner Kate. And then all of this is from the kit. And then these little icons are from Nicole Hutch Designs. And then this is from Planner Kate. My usual icons. February was great. I finally got to have lunch with my two girlfriends. One of them is retired from our organization. She worked with the company for, gosh, I think it's like 32, 33 years. So it was kind of fun to be able to see her. Sophie went off on her senior Kairos retreat, which was amazing for her. And then we went skiing, just the two of us, Scott and I. It was kind of fun. We all went up to the cabin together, but then Scott and I just went skiing one morning and it was fun. So still reading this book, which it's now April when I'm filming this and I have not finished it. But on the way home from skiing, I started listening to this podcast called Murder and Magnolias. It was really good, a short series, so not very many episodes, and yet I binged it like on the way home. Really, really good. And then just continuing with Skyline Drive, which I actually, now that it's April, I have finished this podcast as well. And then just watching my favorites, Abbott Elementary, Home Economics, Will Trent is another good series that I like. And then my friend Frances had gotten me hooked on New Amsterdam, so I was binging that a lot in February. So here's the monthly view, same kit from Monarch Plans. And I added a couple of fun little Happy Planner stick babes. I thought those were cute. The holidays here, these are from Fern Creek Stickers. And then this is just a leftover I found from a Planner Kate sheet of mixed scripts. And then these boxes here that I used for the basketball games, this is an old functional from Planner Kate. So I was using those. And then this little paw here is from Saia Planning. And I think all these little asterisks came from the kit. I remember this had little tiny date dots, so it was kind of hard for me to put them on, but I love the way this turned out. I just think this is so cute. These volunteer boxes, these are also functional from Planner Kate. I don't know that she has these available anymore, either one of these. And then my time stickers are from Saia Planning. So kind of fun. We were still in basketball season here, so we were really busy. Okay, so here's that kit, Winter Birds from Orange Umbrella Co., kit $1.99. Isn't this darling? It's lots of like red, gray. I loved the mix of colors, the icy blue. This color is like really hip right now. I see it in like a lot of stores and stuff. So this script here is from Phoenix Plans, same with here and here. This is from Nicole Hutch Designs, and then I've got a lot of my Saia scripts here in my habits. These little water drops that I was using for water tracking, these are from a Planner Kate freebie. This is a custom from Saia. This is an Ever-Changing Plans, and then the film edit and upload. These ones came from Fern Creek Stickers. And then Commissary is a custom from Phoenix Plans, and so is Costco. And that same volunteer box here I was talking about, functional from Planner Kate, and then timestamps from Saia Planning. And then this little bowling one, this is an old one also from Planner Kate. So looks like I did pretty good on my steps. I got a high one there, pretty high here. Oh, this little recycle, this is from Big Elephant Plans, and I think finished my last one here in the month of April. So this was kind of fun, where I took this deco piece and I sliced it in half and kind of put it on either side of the coil. I liked that. I do love the Hello Weekend banner. So cute, but these were such fun boxes, and I liked that the print was non-directional, so I could flip it either way. So kind of fun with a lot of these. This was a full week. I like this. And then, oh, I should mention this basketball, this mixed script. This is from Orange Umbrella Co. as well. And then going into this week, so this was my week to use leftovers. I've been trying to kind of cut back a little bit on the kits that I ordered. So this is a mix of Orange Umbrella Co. Kit 108 Be Mine and Fern Creek Stickers Kit 105 Love Note. So I did a mix of the different washies. I found some date headers that I hadn't used. I've got my usual scripts here from Phoenix Plans and Saia. These ones here, these two, Otis's Meds and Walk Otis, these are from It's a Hoot that my friend Megan from Megan B Plans It All, she gifted those to me. It was really sweet. Again, the basketball scripts from Orange Umbrella Co. Taco Night is from Fern Creek Stickers. Let's Do This. I feel like this came from a freebie maybe. And then that same staff meeting from Ever Changing Plans, and then the same film edit and upload scripts from Fern Creek Stickers. This is in leftover from A Sheet of Planner Kate mixed scripts. And then what else do I have here? This is this football game is from Ever Changing Plans, and then that same bowling functional box from Planner Kate. So yeah, this is really great. Oh, look at high steps here. High mileage there. Must have gotten a good walk. Pretty good. I think anything over 10,000 is pretty good, right, friends? Lots of walking here. We did a site visit. That's why there's some high steps there. Okay, so then, oh, this kit. I love this kit. This is from Orange Umbrella Co. It's Kit 204, and it's called I Heart You. So a lot of the same things, friends. You know, my Saia scripts here and here, Phoenix Plans, time stickers from Saia Planning. This is an old Planner Kate staff meeting. I use this a lot. Bank is from Phoenix Plans, as with Costco and Commissary, my customs. A lot of these came from the kit, the clean house, the do laundry. And then we had purchased a bunch of fortune cookies. And so I had a bunch of good fortunes. And so I glued them, I pasted them down here into my book and just highlighted them with the same color that I used here in my walking. And I love collecting fortunes from fortune cookies. They're fun. So again, that same basketball game from Orange Umbrella Co. Let's see what else. Time stickers from Saia. This is so pretty. I loved the way this turned out. I love these patterns here in this kit. This was a fun way to have, this was a fun kit to have for Valentine's Day. I love all the I love yous. And then this week, this is from Saia Planning. It's called Red and Black Florals. This was a kit that I've had for a while and I wanted to put it to use. I love, again, that mix of red and black and gray. So a lot of the same things I do all the time. Custom from Saia Planning here, my habits. This was something that I did a little differently here. Instead of having a full box here, I just put this next week and some things that I needed to just kind of think about for next week. Phoenix Plans again with basketball. This holiday is an old run from Planner Kate. And then a lot of these came from the kit. This is a Christiane Designs. And then these here, I believe these are from a Happy Planner seasonal book that I have. So I like that. This is an old leftover from an Ever Changing Plans kit. Another good day with steps, over 10,000. Oh, and here too, 9,000 over here, so pretty good. Skiing here. This was the weekend we went skiing. It was really fun. And then this is a duplicate week. So because most of the days fall in the next month in March, I plan that in March. And then here we have my Clean Mama routine. So I used those leftovers for this one. It was from the Planner Kate Kit 305 XOXO. This little icon here is from Orange Umbrella Co. I love these icons on their reformatted kits for this year. And then all of these headers and all of these scripts are from Saia Planning. I just love all of these. And then over here, this is also from Orange Umbrella Co. And then this was just a cute little deco piece that I had left over, so I put these down here. I thought that was cute. So that's it. That's everything in my main life planner, and then I'll show you what I have in my social media. So here's the index page for February. It says the best way to predict your future is to create it. That's sweet, and we'll flip right into inside. So this here is a Fern Creek Stickers kit. Let me see. I have the name of it right here. It's number 153 called My Valentine. Friends, I did not post in Instagram. This is where I really fell off the wagon here. It's just been hard for me to get onto Instagram and get into it again, but I know that I need to. So these boxes here are, some of them are from the kit, and then I have these from Planner Kate, just functional boxes. This is a custom from Saia Planning, and then here I filled out my little check grid as I film, edit, and upload each step along the way. And then here I love these monthly kits and weekly kits headers. These are from Saia Planning as well, and I just kind of use some leftover washi up here to kind of create that. And then I put each of my kits, so for, again, the plum paper, it was the Monarch Plans, and then Happy Planner Budget was from Saia Planning, and then my social media, Fern Creek Stickers, My Valentine, the one we just looked at, and then Clean Mama was the leftovers. And then here I list out each of my weeks so I can remember what I did. This was from, I feel like this might have been from a freebie. This one here, this little flat lay. And then just notes from each of my videos that I film. I love using this monthly planner for my social media because it's exactly what I need. I need a monthly view to look at the layout, and then I need a couple, I like to make my little dashboard here. This has been working out great for me, and then just pages and pages for notes. So I did pretty good. I did have a week here on a Friday where I didn't get a video up. I just couldn't get to it because we were going out of town. So that's it, friends. I'll go back to my regular book. So just one last look at our sweet little winter bird friends here for February, friends. That's it for this flip through video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.